Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Gemini photo not creating problem. Okay, how to fix it. See, this is the problem. Sorry, I cannot generate more images for you today, but come back tomorrow and we can make more. Okay, let's start. First, open your Google Play Store and now search here Gemini. Now click on the Gemini and check your update Gemini app. My Gemini app already updated. Okay, second steps. Now tap on the Gemini app and now click on the I button and scroll down. Now click on the storage option and now click on the clear data. Click on delete here. Okay, back. Now allow any permission. Okay, back. And now restart your phone and try again. Open your phone and open the Google Gemini app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.